Give her a little vacuum here. In here where the foam filter goes. Every so often suck the dust out of there. Alright. And just use a little portable vacuum here. Suck the air out of there. Sorry. You can see what I'm doing here. A little noisy. Sorry about the noise. Trying to get the right camera angle for you so you can see what I'm doing. So right in here, sucking the dust out. Okay, that's on the Pawfly MC3000 Ultra Quiet. And the little foam here, the little piece of foam. Little foam that goes in there. Alright, so there is a little piece of block foam that goes in where that. Okay. Little black foam that goes back in here.